So here is how you can see if an Apple Watch is real. So there are a couple of really visual or apparent giveaways if you just grab the Apple Watch. So it kind of depends. If you're buying it as a sealed box from a third-party source or something, I would recommend you to look up the serial number or something you can see on the backside of the Apple Watch. So you can easily just check out the Apple Watch or Apple serial number check, and you want to make sure that if you just get the packaging of the watch, you're not allowed to open it just yet before you purchase or something. You want to make sure you get to this page and you want to essentially just type in the serial number that is part of the on the box, right? So you want to type that in and you want to see if it just gets recognized by Apple, if there is a coverage, if the device has been activated before, and stuff like this, right? So that is for the situation where you only have the box and sealed product. But if you are buying a secondhand Apple Watch and you can already see and use it and everything, I would recommend you to at first check out, you're going to be able to see it right away if it's smooth enough and if it works the way that it should, but also just locate at the App Store. So the App Store obviously lets you download apps, and a lot of times this is the hardest part to get right on non-original Apple Watches, because App Store can only be installed on the watch, right? So it is like only on Apple original genuine devices. So when you get inside and you can search for applications and you can see that it works as a regular app store and you can get apps and that it looks like this, then you know that it is just a real Apple Watch. Also, you can get inside of the settings right here and see if the settings looks like this, where you have the Apple ID pages. You can also go to the About section and see if there is the watchOS version installed, the one that it should, right? You also have the serial number, which you can also type in, right? So it kind of works the way like here, right? So these are my recommendations on things you can do. So definitely check the serial number, check the App Store, check the version of the watchOS to ensure that it is the thing that only Apple can get right. And if you're sure about it and you don't see any giveaway of some like lagging or some Android skin right here, then you can be sure that this is a real Apple Watch. So that's it. That's all I wanted to let you know about it. I really do hope that you found it helpful. If you did, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and also see you guys later in the next video.